Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, lived a curious young boy named Timmy. Timmy was known throughout the village for his insatiable curiosity and his adventurous spirit. His favorite pastime was exploring the woods that bordered the village, and he was especially intrigued by the tales of a mysterious bird, rumored to possess magical powers. The legend of the magical bird had been passed down through generations in the village. It was said that this bird, with feathers as brilliant as the colors of a rainbow, could grant a single wish to anyone who could capture it. Timmy had heard these stories from his grandmother, and they had captured his imagination from a very young age. One sunny morning, as the golden rays of the sun filtered through the leaves of the ancient trees, Timmy decided that he would set out on a quest to find the magical bird. He believed that if he could make just one wish, he would use it to bring happiness to his village, which had been facing difficult times. Armed with a woven basket, a net, and his boundless determination, Timmy ventured deep into the heart of the forest. He knew that finding the magical bird wouldn't be easy, but he was willing to face any challenge that came his way. Along his journey, he encountered friendly forest creatures, sparkling streams, and towering trees that seemed to whisper secrets of the forest. Days turned into weeks as Timmy continued his quest, but the magical bird remained elusive. He faced numerous obstacles, from treacherous terrain to sudden storms, yet he never lost hope. He believed in the power of his wish to change his village's fortunes, and that belief fueled his determination. One evening, as Timmy was resting by a campfire, a wise old owl perched on a nearby branch. The owl spoke in hushed tones, "Young adventurer, I have heard of your quest for the magical bird. To find it, you must first learn to listen to the whispers of the forest and understand the language of the animals." Timmy realized that he had been rushing through the forest without taking the time to truly connect with his surroundings. He began to sit quietly and observe the animals, learning their habits and the secrets of the forest. Over time, he developed a deep bond with the creatures of the woods, and they shared their knowledge with him. One crisp morning, as the sun peeked over the horizon, Timmy heard a melodious tune unlike any other. It was a song so enchanting that it seemed to be woven with threads of magic. Following the sound, he stumbled upon a clearing where the legendary magical bird perched on a branch, its feathers shimmering in shades of gold, blue, and green. The magical bird greeted Timmy with a gentle chirp and said, "You have shown kindness and patience, young one. What is your deepest wish?" Timmy's heart swelled with gratitude as he made his wish. He wished for prosperity and happiness to return to his village, for the crops to flourish, and for the smiles to return to his people's faces. The magical bird granted his wish with a joyful trill, and as it did, the forest seemed to come alive with newfound energy. Timmy returned to his village, and true to the magical bird's promise, prosperity and happiness bloomed once more. Timmy's quest for the magical bird became a cherished tale in the village, a reminder that patience, kindness, and a deep connection with nature could bring about the most extraordinary of dreams. And so, the legend of the magical bird continued to inspire generations, filling their hearts with hope and wonder for years to come.